This week on Safari Hunter's Journal, we travel to South Africa to hunt the concessions of Matswani Safaris based out of their 5-star facilities, where we encounter a variety of species with the Umarex Hammer airgun, including a whirling dervish of a zebra that the anti-hunters would rather you not see. Safari Hunter's Journal starts now. Sometimes, going on an African safari can be tough. Everything the hunter encounters in the bush seems armed with thorns or teeth, or the buffalo and elephants of the world that prefer to squish humans. And don't get me started on snakes. And after surviving another 15-kilometer death march, coming home to a primitive camp can make for an awfully long day. But that day is not today. Luxury safaris are, well, luxurious. And I knew we were in for the 5-star treatment as we rolled up to Matswani Safaris Elephant Lodge. With my Umarex Hammer 50 caliber airgun, my professional hunter KP and I set up in a permanent hide on a waterhole. The action would be fast, and it started immediately. Here was something interesting. A big Inyala bull was coming in, but with all of the animal activity, getting a clear shot might prove to be a challenge. The follow-up shot had depleted the hammer's onboard air tank, so a quick recharge from the buddy bottle rendered another 2 full-power shots. Turned out they wouldn't be needed.
Ah,
KP.
Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations, my friend. Yes.
Thank you.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
KP, we did it.
Congratulations, my friend.
Thank you. This is a beautiful Inyala.
Yes, very nice. It's a nice bull, nice white ivory tips, you know, nice bucket. Very good.
And we did it with an air gun.
Incredible. It's something totally new for us, but it's incredible. I couldn't believe it.
Well, the situation was we made a good shot and it passed through, but it hadn't gone down yet. So it was, as it moved to the other side of the hide, I was able to get a second shot, and it was a pass through as well.
Definitely, and the second shot, I definitely took it to the ground, you know. That was very good. The second shot was actually a very good shot for me.
Well, I'm really glad we were able to do it. Now, we saw a lot of animals today. Matswani has a lot of wildlife.
Yes, we have a huge diversity of animals, you know. I think in this area, I think we have 14 species alone.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Well, Inyala is a special, special creature. It's one of the spiral horns, and it's not something you see every day. And this is a good male, and I'm just very appreciative. Stop. KP, look at that. Look. What is that? I mean, it's a zebra. What's it doing? What's it doing?
Yeah, I think it's blind. Let's take it.
What?
Yeah, I think it's blind. Maybe a snake spit it in the eyes. That happens quite frequently. Let's put it down.
Okay.
This zebra is blind, you know. I've seen her once in the area before running behind the pack, very disorientated. That's why she's turning around. She's totally disorientated now.
Yeah.
It can be of a snake that maybe spit her in the eyes, you know, because we have a lot of spitting cobras in this area.
Yeah.
So this was just something that, you know, she was used to be with the troop, and now maybe they have separated from her and she's totally confused and she cannot see. You did the right thing. We did the right thing to take that zebra down today.
Well, I agree, but still, I mean,
it's heartbroken. It's not nice to see it like this.
This isn't a hunt. This was just a mercy killing.
That's what's happened.
That's
you know.
sad.
People always mistake our hunters as killers, you know, but we are actually much involved in conservating, you know. Today we found this blind zebra. You put it down with a single shot. In 10 seconds it was dead. So it was the humane way of killing. This poor zebra was blind. She hit her head several times against trees. You can see how the skull has been broken. You can feel it's all mushy inside, you know. So today you helped this animal, you know.
Yeah, the thing is, you know, this is an emotional thing, and I understand that because this is an equine animal and people love horses and all that. But nature is cruel, and the alternative here was being eaten by a leopard or a caracal or something like that, being more disabled by breaking a leg or a shoulder or cracking her skull open and dying that way.
Yeah, and that is a cruel way. She will suffer dying that way, you know. She will not be easy for her.
And this, the hunter's bullet done, and you know, it's just, you're absolutely right. People don't understand the empathy that we have for animals.
Yeah, you know, and it makes everybody sad. I feel sad, you know, for this poor animal when we saw her like this, walking around in one circle, you know, don't know where she was. Today you really helped this poor animal, you know, because at the end of the day she would have died a slow, painful death. But you know, Steve, what I'm most impressed of is that this Umarex Hammer air rifle took this big body animal down immediately and swiftly, and it was killed instantly, you know.
Well, you know, we've done dangerous game with this large game, and a zebra is very tough.
It's a tough animal.
Know that, but it was, you know, it was a close shot. It's nothing for this air rifle, and if you think, yeah, it's an air rifle, it's kind of amazing, but we've done this enough that it's not a big deal.
Yeah, for me it's amazing. It's the first time I see this, you know. It's quite amazing. You cannot believe that the air rifle can have this power, you know.
Yeah, well, KP, Matswani, this is just a great time to be with you. It's sad that we encountered this, but I guess it worked out as best it could. If you would like more information about this hunt or other African safari, send me an email or give me a call to discuss booking your first or 50th African adventure. To stay up to date on the latest outdoor and Second Amendment news and to take part in our social media contest giveaways, follow us at Umarex Airguns and at Steve Scott TV.
Okay, man. Bye-bye.